A productive rant about robot. Quote, robots have become ubiquitous in our modern world, from manufacturing to healthcare to our homes. They have revolutionized many industries, making them more efficient and safer. However, there are still many misconceptions and fears about robots that need to be addressed. One common misconception is that robots are taking over jobs and leaving people unemployed. While it's true that robots are increasingly being used in industries that were once the domain of human workers, such as manufacturing and transportation, they are also creating new jobs and opportunities in fields such as robotics engineering, programming, and maintenance. Rather than taking jobs away, robots are transforming the nature of work and creating new opportunities for human workers to learn new skills and specialize in areas that require creativity, problem-solving, and critical thinking. Another misconception is that robots are perfect and infallible. In reality, robots are only as good as their programming and the data they are given. They can make mistakes, malfunction, and cause accidents, just like any other technology. This is why it's crucial to have human oversight and intervention when necessary to ensure that robots are working properly and safely. There are also concerns about the ethical implications of robots and their impact on society. For example, there are concerns about the potential for robots to be used for malicious purposes, such as surveillance or autonomous weapons. There are also concerns about the social and psychological impacts of increasing automation and the displacement of human workers. These concerns must be taken seriously and addressed through careful regulation and ethical guidelines for the development and deployment of robots. Despite these concerns, robots have enormous potential to improve our lives and solve some of the biggest challenges facing humanity, such as climate change, healthcare, and food security. For example, robots can help us reduce waste and emissions by optimizing supply chains and reducing energy usage. They can also help us improve healthcare outcomes by assisting doctors and nurses with patient care and monitoring. And they can help us increase food production and sustainability by automating agriculture and reducing the use of harmful chemicals. In conclusion, robots are not something to fear, but rather an incredible opportunity to improve our lives and solve some of the world's